Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video, we will be learning how to log into your Snapchat account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to log into your Snapchat account, first of all, tap open Snapchat app on your phone. Now, on the home page, you can see two options to log in and sign up. Tap on login option. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Snapchat account using your email address. So type your email address. Now type your password. Here above password, you can also see option to use your phone number instead if you want to log in to your Snapchat account using your phone number. Now tap on login. You are now being logged into your Snapchat account. I hope this video helped you learn how to log into your Snapchat account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Enjoy!